My friend Joey has a problem. So about a year ago, I posted this video right here, and in that video, something. Just watch this. And ever since that terrible thing happened to him, I haven't seen him. He's just been gone. And especially when he lost the $100 challenge, he got really mad and ran. All right, unfortunately, Joey, you're eliminated from the $100 challenge. Joey, you okay? Joey, no, Joey. He's just been gone. We can't contact him. It's like he just disappeared somewhere. You know what? I wonder how he's doing. Joey's down there. Joey's down there. He's here. He's this way. I smell him. I haven't seen Joey in like a year now. Whoa. He's gotta be close. Oh. Yo. Hey, Joey, how have you been? Joey, chill. Joey, stop. How you been doing? I haven't seen you in over a year. Hey, Joey.
You don't have to do this.
Stop, Joey, you don't have to do this. Joey, no. Joey Herb, 23 on Instagram. We need to put an end to this, man. I don't feel safe. There's kids around here. Imagine a young child going in the woods and just seeing Joey Herb 23 on Instagram in there. So I think the only way to put a stop to this is to traumatize him so much that he gives up his glizzy addiction, and then we can take him to, it'll be like his own new little rehab thing. So that's why I invited my biggest hater, Mason Butita. So Mason Butita, he's been causing havoc in the comment section, harassing all of my loyal fans. So I decided.
Why did you copy Alan Pan?
So I decided to fly him out. Look at his Alan Pan merch. So I decided to fly him out and challenge him to a hot dog gun building contest. We're gonna have 1 week to see who can build the best glizzy gun, and it's gonna be judged on 3 different categories: fire rate, accuracy, and power. And then we're gonna hunt down Joey Herb 23 on Instagram. You should check him out. We're gonna hunt him down, chain him to a chair, and then unleash Glizzies.
Team Alan Pan is gonna win.
All right, so we have 1 week, starting now. So I did a little bit of procrastinating, and this thing is due by tomorrow, and it's like 5 o'clock right now. So we have around 5-6 hours to try to make a full auto glizzy gun. Now let me explain the game plan here. So I'm gonna take this thing apart, take the flywheels out of it, use a battery. I got some lipos back there to power the thing. I'm gonna build a conveyor belt system with some motors and then hopefully feed the glizzies into the flywheels, and then we should be able to win. Speed building montage. So this is halfway done, I'd say. We just got a little bit of loose wires. I still need to mount the thingy thing, this traction thing, probably somewhere on the side here. As of now, you're gonna put hot dogs on this track. They're gonna go into the flywheels. And then this thing's gonna be pushing the hot dogs into the flywheels so that we got like a pretty good supply of them. So the way to power this thing is we got these two little spring looking things. I don't know what they are. And they each clip onto each side of this thing. So I'm gonna plug it in right now. And then I got some cooked hot dogs because the raw ones are just disgusting and like slimy. So I'm gonna put the cooked hot dogs down the hot dog chute, and then I'm gonna shoot my wall. So let's hope that somehow this thing actually works. Before I test it, I have to quickly say thank you so much to Alan. So let me pop up a graph like right there. Alan gave me 3 shout outs, which is so crazy. A video, a community post, another video. And we went from 800 to like 7,000, almost 8,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. That's just crazy. Honestly, if I never got that shout out, I was planning on quitting after my last repulsor video. So thank you so much. Back to the video. That worked a lot better than expected. But I went to the store, picked up some of these rubber bands right here. So I'm gonna wrap the bands around the flywheels, give it a test, and then we'll see if there's any difference. We gotta give this a name. I'm gonna call it the GLIZZY, named after the P90 from Fortnite. So we got a bit of a jumble of wires right here, but I'm gonna explain how this thing works. So this button makes this go. There's another, oh crap. This button fell off. It was supposed to be here. This puts the flywheels on. You load the GLIZZYs in the back, and then all right,
this is a double cup lean
Bro,
bow.
step back a bit.
This is a double cup lean bow.
Jesus.
So basically, I made a crossbow with out of PVC pipe. I cut it down the middle,
yeah,
but only part way. And I got what do you call this? Bungee cord?
yeah.
So basically, you load the uncooked GLIZZYs through the front to make sure that they're extra slimy. So then Joey will like them more.
So now we're gonna go on the hunt for a wild JDH in the woods. It's Joey.
Is that him? Joey, go!
Go! He's venting! He's venting! He's venting! Come on, get up!
Bro, where are we? Joey!
This was all consent of me. That sounds very weird. Don't take that in any weird offense. Other than this was only for the stop. Other than this was only for the video.
You gotta
Oh no.
put some in, Nathan. I'll shoot when I shoot it at you, Joey. Joey, stop.
Joey.
Back up.
Joey.
Back up. Bro.
Did it cut it?
Did it go? There's 2 inside. I think I lost this battle.
So that's gonna conclude this video. As I said in the last video, if any of these next videos gets 10K views, I'm gonna give away a $25 gift card or Cash App. I'll put my Instagram right there. Follow that. I'm gonna choose a random follower if we ever get there, and then I'll give away a $25 gift card. And that concludes the video.